the G7 nations are reportedly pushing for tougher regulation of the crypto industry. This is to protect consumers and promote greater business transparency. The finance ministers and central bankers of the G7 nations will discuss crypto regulation during a meeting in May. The leaders of the nations will state their collective efforts in a declaration in the same month. The G20 will be discussing crypto regulation in their meeting next month. The Financial Stability Board plans to announce its framework for crypto by July. This article provides an overview of the G7's efforts to regulate the crypto industry. It explains how the G7 nations plan to discuss crypto regulations ahead of this year's summit in Japan and how the same will be discussed at a meeting in May. It also highlights the risks that digital assets pose to the traditional finance sector, and how the collapse of crypto exchange FTX and multiple bank failures in the US have left lawmakers and policymakers scrambling to better regulate this volatile industry. Additionally, it mentions that crypto assets and their potential risks will also be a part of the upcoming G20 meeting in Washington, D.C., and that the Financial Stability Board will announce the final version of its framework for crypto by July. Overall, the article provides an accurate overview of the G7's efforts to regulate the crypto industry. MicroStrategy has made multiple investments in Bitcoin, which had a total worth of $4.14 billion, and generated an 18% gain over the past few weeks. The company paid for the investments by selling equity and extinguishing debt to Silvergate Bank, which closed after a run on deposits. The increased demand for Bitcoin was attributed to the US government guaranteeing repayment. Investors felt the Federal Reserve's campaign to raise interest rates would be limited. Michael Saylor, co-founder and executive chairman of MicroStrategy, has been a long-term Bitcoin bull and is focusing his strategy on Bitcoin. This article gives an overview of MicroStrategy's recent activities in regards to its Bitcoin holdings. It explains how the company added $150 million worth of Bitcoin to its stash, freed up Bitcoin collateral, and issued 1.3 million shares to raise funds. It also highlights the impact of the Silvergate Bank closing on the cryptocurrency market, and how the Federal Reserve's campaign to raise interest rates could benefit Bitcoin holders. Finally, it discusses Michael Saylor's role in MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy, and the impact of the equity sales on the company's stock. Overall, this article provides a comprehensive look at the recent developments in MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings. XRP has seen significant gains in the past week due to increasing speculation that Ripple will win its case against the US SEC. This, combined with an increase of XRP tokens held by addresses, has led to XRP outperforming other major cryptocurrencies. A technical perspective is also showing a potential breakout. However, investors should still be aware that any investment and trading move involves risk. The article provides an overall positive outlook for XRP as it is expected to potentially benefit from the concluding legal battle between Ripple and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. It also provides a technical analysis of the cryptocurrency, noting the various resistance and support levels. The article also emphasizes the need for investors to do their own research before making any decisions. Overall, this article provides a comprehensive look at the current state and future prospects of XRP.